Making customers happy is a serious priority for us. So when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. And here's the exact 5-star review that one customer left about their experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star customer services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a great confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that becomes our specialty. We appreciate you stopping by and watching. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.